Hi everyone, in this video we're going to answer the question, what is reliability-centered maintenance? I am in Egypt at the Great Pyramids of Giza, and behind me you see the Sphinx, and we've got the three pyramids. They're over 4,000 years old. Now, reliability-centered maintenance isn't quite that old, but being here reminds me about it. ASEAN principles are over 50 years old. And when we ask the question, what is reliability-centered maintenance? It is a process that we use to figure out the right proactive maintenance that we should be doing on our equipment and how often we should be doing it. Reliability-centered maintenance is not a maintenance plan. It is a process that you use to figure out what preventive tasks and what CBM tasks you should be doing on your equipment, and also it helps us to figure out other actions that we should be doing. Because maybe we have poor reliability because we've got an operating procedure that's wrong, or maybe we need to augment a training program. So there you have it. That's what reliability-centered maintenance is. It's not a maintenance program, but it helps you to figure out what maintenance and other actions you need to do on your equipment to get the reliability that you need. I'm Nancy Regan from the Great Pyramids of Giza. Thank you for watching.